Hey, what's up, Dean? Here from back. So day like 2.5, whatever. But I already got a lot done today. So the heads are ready to go back on. I have all the tick dual springs in them. Cleaned up all the surfaces. Both heads sitting there waiting. I got the Texas Speed front cover. New seal ready to go. I got the cam in. I got the Texas Speed billet timing gear. These are a nightmare to line up the dot. So what I did was the factory gear, I lined up the arrow that's on it up and down, pointing right at about the center of the crank, and then I mark the keyway. And then when I put it back on, I'm always a tooth off. But that is actually just because I knocked the bolt out of it. It spun the gear a little bit. So lifters are in, trays are in, all bolted down. The valley cover's down. I got all the DOD plugs already in it. And I'm working on putting the oil pressure relief electric piece back in that goes in these two. And then I got to take all the little plastic tabs out of the bolt holes in the old cover, which I just noticed, but I can still get this cover on. Those just go on the bolts, no big deal. So that's what I'm working on. And these get sealed with RTV all the way around. So I'm gonna get this cover on and then get the heads thrown on. The only thing I can't do is the valve cover gaskets. They'll be here today, but later in the day. So that's what I'm working on. Alrighty, so front cover's all on, sealed up, everything's bolted, cam sensor's in, the oil pressure, whatever that thing is, regulator's in. This I gotta figure out how to keep up here somehow. Maybe a P-clamp off one of these bolts or something. But the heads are on. The ARP's down in there. All ARP head bolts on this one. And then the hardened push rods. So the ARPs are just easier than the GM bolts because they're a torque number, not a torque angle. Like GM is like 35 foot-pounds, then 90 degrees, then 60 degrees, and this front short one is different. These are just 30, 70, 105. All of them. So, much easier. But I got the new line on under there. That new line going back to the high pressure pump. So this thing is sitting weird though. It's a lump right there. It's sitting weird for some reason. There it goes. Okay. So I got that on. I got the grounds on the back of the head. You can see that one over there. That one's going down to the head. High pressure pump's all plugged in. Rails are plugged in. I think next I want to put the intake on, get the ports sealed up, and then I can work on this wire. And kind of it for today. I busted my butt getting it back together today. And then tomorrow I can come in early enough, knock out the trunnion upgrade, which he did the fancy trunnion upgrade. I wouldn't have done it, being that this is like a street truck. It's not going to see, 8,000 RPM. I mean, to each their own, but yeah, so I got to put these in, which they take a little while. They're not hard to do, they just take a while, and you got to have a lot of patience with them. So I got to get all those done, and then tomorrow, after I get those on, I'll have the valve cover gaskets. I'll get the valve covers on, I'll pull the transmission out, swap the converter, throw it back in. I guess he's gonna take the drive shaft and get U-joints or something done in it, but he'll have to do that when he gets the truck back. So, and right now the truck is on the schedule for Monday to be tuned. So as long as everything goes good, header seal, all that stuff, which in reality, if they don't seal, that's kind of nature of cheap headers. I have all new exhaust gaskets over there. Like I said, the valve cover gaskets are coming. So that's kind of it. Yeah, so that's it for today. I posted a video this morning, but I'm going to post this one tonight. The one from this morning is yesterday. This one will be today. And then probably the last video will be tomorrow or Monday. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.